record on the line today against Arik Del Rosario and the Growling Tigers. Lasal versus UST.
Fairly established nga na proseso siya, no? 89, walang nanonood. Mas marami pang nanonood ng intrams. Then that 93 season, kailan yung simula na parang feeling nyo, parang ano to parang may magagawa tayo this year. Parang iba tong taon na to. When did you start to feel that season?
Well, for me siguro, it started to kick in after the first round. Kasi nakasweep kami no first eh. And then ito na yung ingay nga na, uy, pag na-sweep nyo, automatic champion. So, at that point, parang we were starting to believe na, uy, something might, good might come out of it. So, yun nga. But again, as the second round approaches, parang medyo naging mas tough for us. Kasi all teams, parang they treat it as a championship game, every game. Kasi nga, alam nila, pagka hindi kami natalo, outright na, champion na kami. So yun. So, yun siguro. At the end of the first round, medyo, uy, we have a chance. We have a chance.
Yeah, kasi it's funny that you say that na parang medyo nahirapang yung second round. Because for me, my memory, I'm not part of the team, no? Hindi ako nag-UST. Ang sa akin, sa utak ko, ang alam ko, tinambakan nyo ng 30 lahat ng team nun for 2 rounds. Kasi nga, ang lakas-lakas ninyo. Is my memory correct or incorrect?
Yeah, coming into the season, I would agree with you. Kasi, I don't know if that's my early coaching mind at work. Pero, syempre, nagkakalkula ka rin eh. Sunday lang. Graduate na si Johnny Wala na rin si Vic. Si June din. June din po. Wala na rin. May chance yata kami Parang ganon. That's how I thought about it. Pero, it wasn't that way. Especially when you have teams gunning for you every single time. Kasi parang in essence, you have a big target in your back.
What was the hardest part? The most challenging part of that season para sa inyo?
Parang wala naman silang masyadong binigay sa amin na expectations na mag-champion kami.
Siguro baka yung pressure lang kay dad. Diba? Kasi everybody around, diba sa background Diba kay Tatay Arik?
Kasi habang humahaba yung streak ninyo no?
Actually, even before the start of the season, diba yung pressure ni Coach Arik, no? Na everybody around him was telling, uy, ang lakas ng team mo. But again, as players, hindi namin, we didn't mind that. Wala. Pero everybody around, Coach Arik specifically, yun na nga, yung pressure.
Ito, kukwento ko na, yung naka 7-0 na kami. Parang sinabihan na kami kung anong gusto namin na
Na-trip?
na trip.
Wow.
So, nung napag-usapan namin na US, dun sa gym, naglagay sila ng yung word na America. Ang laki. So, pagdating ng 8th game namin na panalo, they cross it out. 9th game, they cross it out. Parang ganun. So, parang yun yung naging motivation namin kasi first time na mangyayari sa amin yun So, lalong nagpursige.
I wonder if that season, rin ba kayo? Medyo natataranta na ba kayo or nararatel na kayo na 7-0, 8-0, 9-0, 10-0, 11? Was there a time, Udoy, na parang, okay, kakayanin ba natin itong pressure na to finish it undefeated and automatic champion?
Well, siguro yun we took it kasi one game at a time So we prepared for each game talaga na, yun na nga, all other teams parang championship for them So in the same token, ganun din kami. So yung build-up ng, well, siguro kahit pa paano may stress sa amin. Pero again, with the team effort, na-accomplish naman namin yung goal na ma-sweep siya.
Siguro nung nag 7-0, no? Meron na rin siguro gano'n na thinking na baka ma-sweep kasi nga doon na yung rule na pag nag-champion ka, nag-street ka, champion ka na. Kasi pag napapanood mo kami kung USD ka, makita mo kami nagpa-practice. Para lang kami mga bata na naglalaro na basta wala. Parang nag-enjoy lang kami every time. Di na namin iniisip na yung parang nilagay nga yung buong Amerika na kasulat doon. Parang hindi namin iniisip Parang ang sarap lang mag-practice na magkakasama kami na kahit ang hirap, parang hindi namin iniisip na yung sweep na maka 14-0, hindi naman Parang dumating lang talaga na, sige, isa-isa lang. Pagtas ng isang laro, practice tayo na maganda. Laro tayo ulit. Practice ulit na maganda. Siguro, it just happened na parang siguro talagang binigay sa amin na makasweep kami.
Do you still remember what it was like, court champion, undefeated sweep?
Ako honestly, from the dugout, wala ako, game lang talaga eh. This is my, game lang. Wala akong nakikita, laro lang.
Just like what Coach Arik was saying nga sa amin, kailangan ma-stop namin si Kenneth Durendes. Grabe kasi naman talaga ang scoring niyan eh. Talagang one-man wrecking crew. Pero at the same time, I was looking at theirs, grabe, maganda rin yun, supporting cast niya eh. It just so happened, ang taas din kasi sobra ng level nung scoring niya eh, kaya naha-highlight yun eh. Pero if you look at even their players, sabi ko, lakas nito rin pa. Hirap din to ah. Hindi to madali. So, yeah, at that time, yun ang inaano namin. Parang, how can we stop Kenneth and at the same time, somehow, not get the other guys involved. Yun. We might have a shot at it basically.
The game plan kasi is really to stop, or hindi naman stop, but to limit the production of Kenneth Durendes. And then the game plan nga was, yun, take turns sila Gary Ginto, sila Patrick, sila Ray, in taking care of business, as in si Kenneth. And I think we were successful naman kasi na-limit naman si Kenneth at that time do sa game na yun.
Did it feel different nung yung Araneta that I mean, you've played many times in Araneta. Did it feel different that day? Knowing na pwedeng history to ah. We could be setting history.
Well, siguro it's kind of different kasi nga yung medyo madami talaga eh.
Hindi, madami talaga.
Madami daw talaga eh. Yeah.
Madami talaga.
But when we went out, medyo, of course, you can see, but our focus is dun talaga sa game eh. Kaya even if nakikita mong mga peripheral mo na madaming tao, nandun pa rin ako focus sa game.
Pagpasok talaga, puno. And that was puno. And mostly UST. Yun yung nakakagulat dun eh. Kasi yun nga, we were so used to, before playing na, okay, konti, mas marami pa yung kalaban na nanonood minsan eh. Di ba? Pero that day talagang puno.